Let's get to the right questions framework. Let's cut through all this hype. So let's mark the moment where talk becomes intentional strategy.
Yeah, I like it. And that's where at Impact we've created this framework, and we're continually enriching it, to ask specific questions. And questions like, do you even have AI, or is it just a chatbot? How do you actually quantify that you're utilizing the technology efficiently? And what unique data do you actually own that others don't, that becomes your sustainable competitive advantage? And by doing this, does it establish that competitive advantage? And then also at a much more detailed level, which deep workflows are you tackling? So it's not just superficial features. What are you actually changing? And again, coming back to the points on what opportunities have you identified that you can realize through, building this infrastructure and, actually addressing those pain points. So if we look at some, we were talking about real estate earlier and sort of having a real estate AI versus, a generic GPT feature. And, that's really where the infrastructure becomes, important. And we'll look at, some of the things that more sort of domain specific AI can actually, add onto specific systems like real estate. And then if we're coming back to that builder AI, where it's just over-promised AI and under-delivered results. So, were they actually selling anything? No. There wasn't the infrastructure and maybe even at that stage the technology to allow them to actually deliver. So yeah, really just seeing what is real, coming back to the real estate again, like the example that you were given where, it really was just a thin wrapper over sort of, GPT, and being able to sort of see that and identify, like, is it infrastructure developing or is it just these sort of hyped features that are adding superficial value?
Yeah, and I think this is what you talked about briefly, is just that domain expertise wins. It's the generic AI really doesn't cut it anymore. They're cute, but you really don't break through. The deep value is in the specialized domain understanding.
Yeah, absolutely. And that's where you look at things like healthcare, making sure healthcare AI is, or leveraging healthcare AI that's HIPAA compliant, that's medically literate, that can actually improve your clinical workflows. Or coming back to real estate again, making sure that you're embedding MLS data, you're getting legal compliance from this AI, and also assisting with things like deal flow. So if you invest in the right architecture and you do that from the beginning, it's going to give you a massive advantage or competitive advantage over other companies that are leveraging these more sort of superficial tools that can't scale or differentiate.
I'm curious, in video games, cheat codes let you skip months of grinding to unlock special abilities instantly. Have you ever wished for something similar for your software challenges? What if there's a way to instantly access 20 plus years of specialized expertise instead of developing it all internally? What if you could solve in weeks what might otherwise take months or years? Would you agree that most organizations face a steep learning curve when implementing new software solutions? At my company Impact, we serve as that cheat code for companies looking to transform complex software into intuitive experiences that users love and that drive real business results. Would it be valuable to explore? And how might this work for your specific situation? Visit impact.io for a free strategy session focused on your unique challenges.